everyone. In today's quick guide, we're unlocking the Nokia C1 second edition TA-1380 using Pandora Box, brought to you by unlockresellers.com, your trusted source for unlocks, GSM tool credits, and activations. From the tool, all we need to do is go to the Locks tab and click the Network Unlock button. Now, before that, make sure you've selected your model Nokia TA-1380 from the quick search bar in Pandora. Also, ensure that the drivers are installed and the phone is in BROM mode, which you can achieve using the test point method, just like in the picture shown here. Pretty fast, right? The unlock is already done. Now, just like the tool recommends, we need to wipe data. So head over to the Format tab, click Wipe Data, and wait for the process to complete. While that's finishing up, let's talk a bit about Pandora Box. It's honestly one of the most powerful tools for Nokia Android operations, and not just Nokia. I'll drop a list here with some of the many supported models. Pandora comes from one of the oldest and most trusted GSM software teams, Z3X. It still gets monthly updates, supports over 10,000 models, and works with just a yearly activation, no box required. And of course, you can get it directly from us at unlockresellers.com at a great price. And that's it. Another quick and easy unlock with Pandora Box. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.